Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Bestbuy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bestbuy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can click on the account option at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password or your social accounts. After logging in, if you wish to change your account password, then click on your username and then click on account. This will then take you into your account settings page, from which in order to change your password, click on account settings. Now you will see the change your password option. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to verify your identity. After choosing a verification method by entering the verification code that has been sent to your email address or your phone number, just click on the continue button and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password. After entering your desired new password, type it in once again for confirmation and then click on the save and continue button. You will then see a notification letting you know that your password has been saved. And now you can continue forward with using your Bestbuy account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on Bestbuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.